Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Klinger2. In today's video I'm just going to be demonstrating how to underline text in Photoshop since it's not as obvious as things like Word and PowerPoint. So just go here real quick, let's make some words. Let's do dudes be dudes. Alright, we're just going to expand this to kind of show what I'm saying. So just like that. So now we're going to take this and we're going to go up here to character. It's above this P and you're going to character. Then right here is underline. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now there are some other options here that you can do as well. Like for instance, you can do this where you can like stick a line through the words and then take this off. And I guess it looks kind of cool that way. I don't really know the exact reason why you would do that, but pretty neat. You know, you can make it like that. Do it like that, where it's all like, and then italicized. So this is all your text options. So yeah, very cool. Hopefully this helped.